Alright.
Just say along.
Hello. I am Caitlin Hawes.
If you think about it, isn't it?
Run to the floor and just
Like the
yell.
main bad guy.
To the 40?
Yeah, to 40, just yell.
Except for just not like
Want to see what the
that. Yeah. What do you think?
Alright. Jason.
Huzzah.
Say something.
Hello. I am Kate.
Hey, Kate. Go ahead and single. Alright. In case y'all don't know, I'm the band director, Barry Michael. And this is y'all's drum. Hey, drum.
Hey.
Alright, everyone, settle down. I don't know why I added that line.
Alright, everyone. We're going to do the creed first before you separate into your sections to get to know each other better. Freshmen, you can sit this one out since you don't know yet. I'm so...
I don't know what you're talking. I swear I was right here. I swear, because I looked down at that spot. Because I was
Just slightly too low. Just slightly too low. That's it? Maybe a little too slightly.
Alright, you gremlins. Separate into your sections. Scram.
Say something. Just say something. Just say anything.
Hi. Nobody peed on the floor.
Okay. I'm gonna go back here. Now just yell.
Oh, thanks. Oh my gosh.
Tucker, you're amazing at acting.
Yeah?
I don't know what else to say. Riley, I don't really know.
On my music, I don't know what this note is.
Of course. Yeah, I'll help you.
Thank
I'll
you.
look at it.
Thank you. Cash, I think you played that note wrong, though.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Well,
Dang. You need to work on that.
yeah, I guess I will.
Gosh, Cash.
Figure out where you live and I'm gonna find you. The music is not that hard, but you know, I'm pretty good at it.
Well,
Hi, Donovan. I see you're looking over there.
I
How you doing?
I know where you live.
Well, that sucks because I already know where you live too.
Well,
So
I have a bomb
Yeah.
planted in your house.
I don't care.
Oh.
Can you bomb my house instead?
I got you.
This band is well known for making it to state, and last year we didn't do all that great. We got 13th and didn't make it to finals. But this year,
Yeah.
Yeah! Right?
so who's ready to learn how to march?
Three,
And go. Click.
2, 1.
And go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't be dog water.
Yeah.
Oh. They're gonna get better.
Yeah.
There's Eden.
Oh yeah, that's Eden. And then there's Riley. Okay, that is.
I mean, Cam could probably use a Starbucks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A is what we need.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
for sure.
yeah.
Chick-fil-A needs to be open on Sundays. Like,
Honestly.
because that's when it's
That's
when
the
it's,
one day I want it.
Yeah, and we have to travel so far, like, to get to an actual good food restaurant.
I know.
Brother, help me.
Long live the king! Ah!
Not the buffalo!
Bacon pose.
Alright. Ready?
I'm recording, buddy. You got it.
I'm ready. I can't believe I say this. Go up a little bit more. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you went for the bad the nice person. You guys do it again. Okay. Oh, I just moved up.
Okay.
Sit here. No, back down real quick. Back down? Yeah. Okay, now you can go.
Get down.
Don't don't forget to put your hands behind your head,
And then down.
yeah. 3, 2, 1. Look up. Okay. After all that struggle.
I know, maybe, but it's one of the three. Well, sorry. Oh my gosh. Uncle Michael says we can't control the marching band. Guys, we should take a selfie together.
Yeah.
Do that. You want to say something to test the audio?
Hello, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing.
I need either one or both of y'all to go on to the 30. Yeah, 30. And just scream.
Alright. Hold on. You should, like.
Just scream. Alright, I'll come back. Don't come back.
Wrong kind.
I need to do this on handheld. Where my kid? They might fall out. That's a blooper. I'm working on it. You got it.
There we go. Got the blooper.
Show y'all something.
That's interesting.
What
Me
an
too.
interesting squad lineup we got here. We got the.
You know,
Look,
oh,
I'm
that's
so bombing your house.
So you can take everything off of it except for his shoes.
If you will.
I don't know.
so.
2, 1.
Alright, so guys, like Perez said, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
3, 2, 1.
Alright, guys. I know how it is. You know how it is. That just sucks sometimes.
Okay,
Okay, here we are again. Cast of Alan and Chipmunk.
3, 2, 1. Action.
So my car got hit by a dog. Oh my god. I would say the opposite. I would say my. Wait.
Come on, get
I'm
it
not gonna
out.
make any
Get
jokes.
it out. Get
I'm
it
gonna
out.
start crying, bro.
Get it out. Get it out.
Walking in.
Okay.
Hold on. I got it.
Let me try.
3.
Okay, just give me another second. It's me trying to make a straight face, and I start laughing. I'm just not even thinking thoughts. I'm just staring at Tucker and then like thinking of something else.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Go.
You know, judges suck sometimes. You know how it is. You know, cars, everything. Just there's nothing we can control. I don't know why we're laughing.
Oh no, what it was?
2, 1.
I'm gonna let y'all know this. Y'all be great.
Alright, here you go.
Ready?
I wanted to focus on my face. You were talking my face.
No, we got it. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2. I know. 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
I think that's a wrap, Tucker.
Yes.
I think that's a wrap.
Wait, I gotta have that on document. I stole Broxton's house. I could also take my hoodie back. No, you can't. No,
Finish
you're not
it.
getting your papers back.
You work out?
Congrats,
That's
filming.
questionable. Yes! Yes!
Deuces.
I was told you said hi.
Oh, yes, I did.
So hi. We finished. We're done now.
What are your thoughts on the film?
Great.
The biggest star of the film.
Biggest star.
Another guy.
I got you. Alright, here we go again. Alright, you ready?
Yep. We may not have made it to state, but I'm glad of how far we've come. Just because we failed doesn't mean we give up. We have to keep improving. Now keep our heads up, have faith, and come back next year stronger than ever.
I'm gonna have you do that one more time, but a little bit faster.
Okay.
Because it's 1 minute.
I have weird pauses.
Yeah, it's okay.
I've been told that a lot, actually. It's kind of sad.
It's okay.
We may not have made it to state, but I'm glad of how far we've come. Just because we failed doesn't mean we give up. Now dang it. Okay. We may not have made it to state, but I'm glad of how far we've come. Just because we failed doesn't mean we give up. We have to keep improving. Now keep our heads up, have faith, and come back next year stronger than ever.
I feel like I made a typo on there. Hold up.
I don't think
Insert we.
Whoa.
When we keep our heads up.
A clock?
now we keep our heads up.
Yeah.
I mean, now keep our heads up.
Hey, that's kind of works.
A clock and a...
You know, while I have y'all
I'll leave
here,
the background to that. Oh, who?
this is behind the scenes interview. Oh,
Oh my goodness.
what'd you think of filming?
I liked it. It was fun.
Yeah. It's a lot more precise.
Very efficient.
Yeah. Like even when we were joking around,
Yeah.
we would still like get things done. Yeah. Did you shave?
Yeah.
You shaved too.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, I shaved for the filming, and then I haven't shaved since.
That's funny because I didn't shave for the filming and then I shaved because of
It's just
stuff.
gonna be the up close. You're like, you need a facial hair?
That's what I'm saying. We need the extra scene of. Did you shave?
Did you shave?
Actually,
Oh yeah, that
Oh.
should have been a thing in the movie.
Yeah,
Did you
it's
shave? The film, whatever.
here. What was your favorite memory from filming?
You know what my favorite memory was.
We have video proof of that.
We do have video proof of
It's
that.
in
was
the
it?
it's in the bloopers.
Yeah.
I hope
Wait,
so.
what was
If
it?
y'all seen the bloopers, y'all know
Like-
what I'm talking about.
I've seen the bloopers.
Well, this
but
is the
I
bloopers
don't know.
actually.
Oh yeah, this isn't the bloopers.
This is the bloopers. Anyway.
If you've seen the bloopers right now, cuts away.
Yeah. What was your favorite memory?
Probably that or the Mufasa stuff.
Oh yeah, long live the king.
Oh yeah, long live the king.
My
That was
favorite
also
actual
in
thing
this.
we did filming would be probably that, or like just our conversations we did.
What would you say was the most random thing that happened during filming?
Oh yeah,
Alvin.
my
Alvin.
car got hit by a dog.
That, but me in general, I think I just caused a lot of random stuff.
My car got hit by a dog.
Hey, what was the best blooper?
My car got hit by a dog.
Definitely my car got hit by a dog. Because I definitely missed. You know what's funny is I actually meant to say it the other way around, and I said it backwards. I don't know how I do that. I do that sometimes. I'll say things backwards, or I'll say things wrong, and I meant to say
Like
something
freaking
else.
Yoda, dude.
Yeah.
Alright. How do you feel about the little knobs? Little fancy knobs.
I love the little knobs. If you don't know, we're talking about a car.
Yeah, my car. With the sunroof.
Sunroof. Oh.
But
If you
I-
don't know, that's the actual sun.
That I refuse to open.
Oh, why?
Because,
No, it's valid.
I hope y'all enjoy this little. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this little behind the scene interview with the two main actors.
Someone's on the phone. No, we're good. He can't hear us. So about the drip.
So, that microphone looks real yummy right now.
Oh yeah.
So I'm really